Well, that's neat. I know people have speculated on the existence of a relationship between solar activity and terrestrial climate. Do you think that some of one of these relations, a connection between the solar wind and the magnetosphere, maybe more particles leaking in at different times? Clearly, these things are very variable. The solar wind, the pressure in the solar wind is a function of the solar activity. Do you think there could be anything to this, or maybe this is just one possibility?
Well, there's certainly considerable statistical evidence which strongly suggests, although I think perhaps doesn't yet prove, that there is some connection between solar activity and weather and climate. Of course, we know very well that the radiation from the sun dominates the Earth's climate, but it's quite possible that in times of high solar activity, for example, when there are lots of sunspots, that the sun is a little bit brighter in some wavelengths, but also other things happen. The sun emits more particles, particularly energetic particles. Now, these particles will, some of them, have access to the magnetosphere of Saturn, the magnetosphere of the Earth. Now, during times of high solar activity, there may be lots of particles. Times of low solar activity, fewer particles, and conceivably these could produce some effect on the Earth's weather.